Imagine you're applying for a loan. You wouldn't walk into a bank empty-handed, right? You'd need to provide information about yourself, your income, and what you need the loan for. Insurance works similarly. A submission is like that loan application, but instead of asking for money, you're asking for financial protection. In the world of property and casualty insurance, a submission is the formal request for insurance coverage. It's the first step in the underwriting process, where an individual or business presents their risk profile to the insurer. This risk profile is simply a fancy way of telling the insurer about the things you want insurance for. Why is this important? Because it's how insurers decide whether they can provide coverage, and if so, at what price. Just like a lender wants to understand your ability to repay a loan, insurers need to assess the level of risk you present before offering you an insurance policy. The submission acts as the foundation for this risk assessment. It's the starting point from which underwriters evaluate the potential for future claims and determine appropriate premiums. Without a well-prepared submission, the entire underwriting process grinds to a halt. Submissions in the insurance world can originate from various sources. One common channel is through insurance agents or brokers. Think of them as matchmakers between individuals or businesses seeking insurance and insurance companies. They work directly with potential policyholders, gather necessary information, and submit it to insurers on their behalf. Another source is direct submissions, where individuals or businesses bypass intermediaries and approach insurance companies directly. This is becoming increasingly popular with the rise of online platforms and digital insurance marketplaces. Imagine going directly to a lender's website to apply for a loan. It's the same concept. Sometimes submissions can also come from existing policyholders seeking to renew or modify their current coverage. For example, if you buy a new car, you'll need to update your auto insurance policy, triggering a new submission. Regardless of the source, the underlying purpose remains the same: to provide the insurer with sufficient information to evaluate the risk and make informed underwriting decisions. Gone are the days of solely relying on snail mail and fax machines to deliver insurance submissions. The insurance industry, like many others, has embraced the digital revolution, offering a variety of methods for submitting applications. Online portals have become increasingly popular, allowing for quick and efficient submission of information. These portals often come with built-in tools for data validation, reducing errors and speeding up the process. Imagine filling out an online form with instant feedback. That's the convenience online portals offer. For more complex risks or larger businesses, submissions might involve dedicated software programs that facilitate the exchange of large volumes of data. These programs are designed to handle the complexities of commercial insurance, ensuring secure and streamlined communication between brokers and underwriters. Despite the rise of digital, traditional methods like email and physical mail are still in use, especially for specific types of submissions or when dealing with smaller insurers who haven't fully transitioned to digital platforms. However, the trend is clear. The future of insurance submissions lies in digital efficiency and streamlined communication. What information does a submission actually contain? This depends on whether it's for personal or commercial lines insurance. Personal lines cover individuals and families, while commercial lines cater to businesses. For personal lines like auto or homeowners insurance, submissions typically include basic information about the applicant, like name, address, and date of birth. They'll also detail the specific coverage requested, such as liability limits and deductibles. Think of it as providing your basic details and what kind of protection you're seeking. Commercial line submissions are more complex. They involve gathering details about the business's operations, financials, and the specific risks they face. This could include information about the number of employees, revenue figures, and the industry they operate in. The goal is to paint a comprehensive picture of the business's risk profile for the underwriter. Regardless of whether it's personal or commercial, accuracy and completeness are paramount. Inaccurate or missing information can lead to delays, incorrect pricing, or even coverage disputes down the line. It's like building a house on a shaky foundation. A flawed submission can undermine the entire insurance policy. If you found this helpful, hit the subscribe button and follow for more.